Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to find the value of this expression 7 minus 1 plus 6 divided by 3 times 2. So 7 minus 1 gives us 6. 6 plus 6 gives us 12. 12 divided by 3 gives us 4. And 4 times 2 gives us 8. But this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. So according to this rule, we have one division here and one multiplication here that we have to solve these first. And as we know, division and multiplication are equally important, so we have to solve from left to right. So 6 divided by 3 gives us 2, and 2 times 2 gives us 4. Now we have 7 minus 1 plus this 4. So, and as we know, subtraction and addition are equally important, so we have to solve from left to right. Now 7 minus 1 gives us 6, and 6 plus 4 gives us 10. The final answer is 10. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.